This video is going to cover the basics of moving around in Computer Repair Simulator. We've assigned default keys which we're going to cover, but if you ever need to change them, you can use the game launcher under options and then go to control to change them. So by default, in order to move forward, backward, left, and right, we're going to use the keyboard WASD keys. To move forward, press the W key. To move backward, press the S key. To move left, press the A key. And to move right, press the D key. At any time, if you want to speed up, you can hold in the left shift key while using any of these buttons. For example, moving forward, if you want to move forward faster, press the left shift key and you'll move faster. Same with backward, left, and right. What about turning? In order to turn in Computer Repair Simulator, we're going to use the mouse. The left mouse button, when held, will allow you to move left, right, look up, and look down. You can also look left and right by using the Q and E keys by default. Pressing the Q key will move one way, and pressing the E will move the other. However, if you try to move again, say moving forward, your orientation is going to be off. In order to recenter your camera, we're going to go to the profile icon up here that looks like a crosshair. And when you click on it, it's going to reset everything so everything is oriented properly. Now you can move forward properly, backward, left, and right. If you want to take the camera and move it up and down, use page up and page down. Holding page up will move the camera up, and page down will move the camera down. Alternatively, you can use the mouse wheel. Mousing up will move the camera up, and mousing down will move the camera down.